little yogis, I'm so happy you're here. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more yoga fun. Today's session is filled with playful movements and gentle breaths to help you feel calm and strong. So grab your mat, take a deep breath, and let's begin together. Sit comfortably with your legs crossed. Sit up tall and place your hands on your knees. Let's take 5 slow breaths together. Breathe in and breathe out. Lift one arm up to the sky. Lean to the side like you're reaching for a rainbow. Take 3 slow breaths, then switch sides. On right side, now lift your right arm up gently to the other side. Take 3 slow breaths. Bring the bottoms of your feet together. Hold your feet and flap your knees like butterfly wings. Let's flap 10 times together. Stretch your legs straight in front of you. Reach your arms up, then fold forward. Relax your head and take 5 slow breaths. Step your left foot forward, place your back knee on the mat, and lift your arms up. Take 5 slow breaths. Now step your right foot forward, lift your arms, and hold for 5 breaths. Bend your left knee and keep your right leg straight. Bring your hands together and hold for 5 breaths. Now bend your right knee and stretch the other leg. Take 5 slow breaths.
your left foot on your leg. Lift your arms up like tree branches. Balance for 5 breaths. Now place your right foot on your leg. Grow your branches up to the sky. Balance for 5 breaths. Place your feet wide apart and squat down low. Bring your hands together at your chest. Hold for 4 slow breaths. Kneel on your mat, place your hands on your heels, and lift your chest. Look up to the sky and take 3 slow breaths. Now lie on your back and bend your knees. Lift your hips up to make a bridge. Hold your bridge for 4 slow breaths. Hug your knees close to your chest. Gently rock side to side 5 times. Bring your big toes together and sit back on your heels. Stretch your arms forward and rest your head down. Take 5 slow, relaxing breaths.
Fantastic job, little yogis! You moved, stretched, and breathed so beautifully today. If you had fun, don't forget to tap the like button and subscribe so you won't miss our next yoga adventure. Share this video with your friends and invite them to join the fun next time. Now take a big, deep breath in and a slow breath out. Smile, relax, and I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye, yoga friends!